What's up, fellow crewmates? Here's how you can get the Lightning Bolt plate gloves in Crimson Desert. These rocky looking plate gloves provide Cliff 18 points in attack and 3 points in defense, with a level 1 movement speed bonus. For Abyss Gears, it has a level 1 lightning resistance and another level 1 movement speed. It's found on the northern part of Payloon above the letter L and to the left side of the letter N. If we zoom in, it's to the southeast of the Silver Wolf Mountain, inside the Sanctum of Exaltation. Starting from the entrance, just keep climbing up 4 sets of stairs until you reach the 3rd floor with these lanterns on the side of the 5th staircase. When you approach it, you'll find a closed doorway with a chest inside the room behind it. Simply light up these 2 lanterns and the bars will go down. With the chest now accessible, loot it and you'll get the gloves. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.